It was the most anticipated Android tablet release in H1. Right here in front of me, the Tab S7 Fan Edition was supposed to be the answer to so many requirements people have. With so many things in life, relative pricing becomes an important factor when people want to buy something, for example, a tablet. Look, I was going to go all professor on you today, like a university, and was going to tell you all about the relative pricing, but I will spare you the pain. However, the net is, we know that it is priced incorrectly. It is expensive for what it is. But as always, there is a twist to this, so hear me out. If you have a Tab S7 Fan Edition and wondered about a couple of things like camera quality, battery life, well, let me tell you that Samsung has fixed this in their latest update. So the good news is Samsung does recognize shortcomings and is willing to fix them as soon as they can. Reading all the comments on the Tab S7 Fan Edition videos across YouTube, one could actually think there is a conspiracy theory out there that will tell you the Fan Edition has been brought out to boost the sales of the Tab S7 and the Tab S7 Plus by simply putting an extortionate price on this tablet to drive up the sales, to drive people into a different direction to buy a different tablet, a different Samsung tablet. Now the relative pricing emerges again. Although we have so many impulse buyers amongst us, a lot of people do really rational buying decisions, especially in these uncertain times. So what is it actually the Tab S7 Fan Edition has to offer for us, for the community out there, that is so great that the price is justified? Well, let me spin this in a different direction here for you. I currently see two possibilities. The possibility number one is Samsung is pushing out the Tab S7 Fan Edition, and the 5G is important here because nobody really cares about the 5G and it will not be relevant to anyone soon, but Samsung is bringing it out anyway in order to boost sales for this device and therefore maximize profits. And hear me out. Option number two, Samsung has no choice but promote the 5G, the Fan Edition 5G, because of the global component shortage that many companies face right now. Simply, they did not want to wait until they have a full selection of the Tab S7 Fan Edition lineup available. So here is what I found out and I believe people would consider when going for the Tab S7 Fan Edition. We understand 5G is here, but nobody really cares about it, especially in the pandemic. It is probably a small percentage that are interested in a 5G version of anything right now. People are still staying home. It's going to be predicted they're going to be staying home for a long time, so they're happy with the Wi-Fi version. And this, my friends, this is where the Tab S7 Fan Edition can prove real value. Researching this subject, I found out that Samsung Spain has listed the Wi-Fi version officially, but it's not available to purchase just yet. I also found Amazon Germany listed the Wi-Fi version, painting a similar picture than Spain. It's not available just yet. But we have something taken away from here, and that is a price indication of the Fan Edition Wi-Fi version. Amazon in Germany listed that Wi-Fi is still listed, the Wi-Fi version, for 549 euros, which is exactly 100 euros below the 5G pricing. And we are now entering a territory where the relative pricing becomes more attractive, and this is exactly where I see the Tab S7 Fan Edition succeed. People who want to have the bigger canvas and are happy with what that Fan Edition provides, it really comes down to the money, right? And if 549 is a starting point we can go by, it will not take long for a sale to come around the corner and suddenly your Fan Edition will be priced as it should be relative to your salary. Guys, it was a bit academic today, but let me know your ideal price for the Fan Edition, for the Wi-Fi and or the 5G version in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Until next time, I miss you. Peace out.